Word formation techniques. Let's begin exploring word formation techniques to build a stronger vocabulary. This topic focuses on prefixes, suffixes, and how they form new words. Understanding word formation helps you read faster and write better. It is useful in speaking, listening exams, and interviews. Let's master how words are built and how meaning is shaped. Why word formation matters. Let's understand why word formation is so important. It builds your vocabulary and boosts communication confidence. It helps you guess meanings of unfamiliar words. This skill improves reading comprehension and writing clarity. It is widely used in academic writing and competitive exams. What is affixation? Let's define the process of affixation. Affixation means adding a prefix or suffix to a root word. A prefix comes before and a suffix comes after the base word. This process forms new words or changes the word's meaning. It is one of the most common word-building techniques in English. Introduction to prefixes. Let's look at how prefixes work. A prefix is added before a word to modify its meaning. For example, un means not, re means again, and pre means before. Unfair means not fair, rebuild means build again. Prefixes usually do not change the word class. Prefix categories and meanings. Let's explore the different categories of prefixes. Negative prefixes include un in dis, il, and I'm, like impossible. Time or order prefixes include pre, post, re, and for, like preview. Number and size prefixes include mono, bi, multi, and micro. Degree or direction prefixes include over, under, out, and sub, like overwork. Real-life examples of prefix use. Let's review some real-life prefix examples. Unhappy means not happy. Redo means to do again. Disagree means not agree. Prepaid means paid in advance. Overuse means to use something too much. Introduction to suffixes. Let's understand how suffixes work. A suffix is added after the base word. It usually changes the word class from noun to adjective or verb to noun. For example, happy becomes happiness and create becomes creative. Suffixes help make your expression more flexible and specific. Common suffix types. Let's explore the main types of suffixes. Noun-forming suffixes include nest, tie-in, ment, and ity, like movement. Adjective-forming suffixes include full, less, us, and eve, like hopeful. Verb-forming suffixes include is, en, and ife, like modernize. Adverb-forming suffixes mostly end in ly, like quickly. Suffix in action examples. Let's look at how suffixes change word meaning. Kind becomes kindness, which means the quality of being kind. Act becomes action, which means the result of acting. Care becomes careless, which means without care. Friend becomes friendly, which means showing friendship. Combining prefix and suffix. Let's learn how to combine both prefix and suffix in one word. Some words contain both elements, such as unhappiness. Here un is the prefix, happy is the base, and ness is the suffix. Breaking the word into parts helps you decode its meaning. This is a great way to grow your vocabulary naturally. Let's conclude our session on word formation techniques. We have learned how prefixes and suffixes build and change words. These tools improve your vocabulary, reading, and writing skills. Practice identifying word parts to grow your confidence in usage. Thank you and keep learning with us at hegsdc.com.